Creating your Google Slides presentation. So you have the worksheet that tells you what the requirements are for your Google Slides presentation, and this is actually just going to show you really quickly how to make the presentation. So earlier you've already created your Google Tools folder. So in your Google Drive, I want you go to My Drive, go to your Google Tools folder, which you already created and shared with me, and you're going to double click it. Once you do that, you are now in your Google Tools folder. Anything you create in here will automatically be shared with me because that's how we have the folder set up. So to create your Google Slides, you're going to click on New and you're going to do Google Slides. So again, I just went over here to New and clicked Google Slides, and it should open up in a new tab. Now the first thing we're going to do is let's just name this presentation so we have that out of the way, and we'll call this All About Me because this is going to be a presentation about you and your likes and your interests. Now whenever we're going to be making this presentation, it's going to be something that in theory we would let other people see. And if we're going to be doing that, we want to use pictures and images that we know that we can legally use, just like we've talked about copyright in the past. So there's a tool that's going to help us do that. So what I'd like you to do before we even start making your presentation here is to make sure you have this tool, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So what you're going to do is once you're in your presentation, you're going to go up here and click on add-ons, and then you're going to click get add-ons. Once you're in this get add-ons option here, I want you to click the search add-ons and type in unsplash and press return. When you do that, you should come up with unsplash photos here. You can see I already have it installed. And then you're going to add this. So you're going to click add it and allow whatever settings it has. Okay, so once you have that added on, well, then if you go to your add-ons, you should see there's an unsplash photos option. And I'm going to show you exactly what that is. If I put in a new, let's just do a blank slide here, and this is going to allow you to find copyright royalty-free images of high quality that will be HD definition, so they'll be nice and clear and beautiful. And any of the pictures that come up in the results, you can legally use in your slides. There's no saving, there's no screenshots. I'll show you how easy it is. Okay. Now this is not going to have every picture you're going to need, but it's going to be a good first tool to go to in our slides app. So the first thing you're going to do is to add a picture is we're going to go up to add-ons because we've already added it now. And instead of saying get, you should see right here, it should say unsplash photos for yours, okay? And we're going to go on, put the mouse on top of unsplash photos, and we're going to say insert an unsplash photo. It's then going to work. Now, over here on the side, you can search for whatever you would like. So, I have a dog, so maybe I'd want a picture of a dog in my presentation. So I can type in dog, and you can see there's tons and tons of pictures of dogs, okay? Now, my dog is part lab, so maybe I'll type in lab. Now, wait a second. This is going to give me scientific lab. So you got to make sure you are specific with your search results. Okay. Now, my dog is also part mountain cur, and I doubt that was going to be in here. Yep, so that's not in here. But for our example, I'm just going to type in dog, and I'm going to find a picture of a dog. And let's just say I like, oh, this dog here is cute, so whatever. Say this looks like my dog or similar to my dog, or this is the picture I want. I simply click on this image. It's then going to automatically load that into my slides presentation. Done. There it is. And you can see it's beautiful HD clear quality. Okay, so whenever you add in, you can search for whatever type of image you want. And again, this is not going to have everything, but it's going to have a lot of different search options, a lot of different images that will pop up. So I'm just going to type in Wisconsin because that's where we live in Wisconsin. And again, you might be able to find a picture that works. Here's a capital picture. I'm just going to click that, and that will add it in. And again, this is just a tool to use completely free for commercial and personal use. Again, high resolution photos. To get out of this, you simply click the X right here, and you're back to your normal theme in your own presentation. So Unsplash Photos, quick and easy add-on that allows you to put high def, high quality copyright royalty-free pictures into your presentation, which we know can legally be used. Now, of course, you can always use your insert and image and upload from your computer any screenshots or other pictures that you took. Just again, please be aware of copyright and free use laws, and make sure you try to use pictures that you can legally use. So that is how you're going to create an Google Slides presentation with the Unsplash Photos add-on.